Hello everyone, my name is Amparo López and I am professor in the Hydraulic and Environmental Engineering Department at Universidad Politécnica de Valencia. This way we are going to speak in this learning object about maintenance concept in hydraulic pumps. When we finish, we will be able to understand the importance of maintenance in hydraulic pump systems, and we will be able to identify any action related to maintenance check for any sort in general of hydraulic pumps. So we are speaking about the need of maintenance in hydraulic pumps, the maintenance actions, and the main conclusions. Why do we need to maintain hydraulic pumps? Well, hydraulic pumps are fundamental in the operation of any hydraulic water distribution system in any sort of machinery system to convert mechanical power into hydraulic energy. So, in general, the failure of a pump in the system can have very big consequences. So, performing the maintenance is absolutely important to help the equipment to make longer, accomplishing the functions, and we do not have to leave to do so. So a good maintenance helps to prevent unexpected breakdowns, reducing energy consumption, and proposing overall operating costs. So neglecting this sort of maintenance can lead to severe damage and very costly repairs, apart from non-sustainable performance of the whole system. Which actions can be considered? So now we are going to enumerate the several actions that should be considered when proposing a maintenance way in a particular water distribution system with pumping stations. So what should we do? We should check the fluid levels. Normally, manufacturers show us any specific fluid scheduling determining how often it has to be changed, because there are many fluids inside the machine for lubrication, for regulation of temperature, or several things. So it is many times needed for refrigeration or for temperature control, and the fluid level must be checked. We must control the water level in suction, which is priming. It is very important because if we have air in the first part of the pump, we won't have all the height of the system. So controlling level water in suction is very important for not to lose the priming of the system. We have to change filters. Filters must be removed because they retain solid particles, and as longer the filter is in a system, the less effective becomes the core. So it is very important to put a filter schedule in order to ensure that they are not contaminated and they are changed correctly at any time. We clean very well the pump exterior, the connections, and the part of the machine, so any sort of contamination can go inside the pumps. It prevents pollution, prevents damaging, and it is very, very important when we are using clean water or water distribution system pumps, because they cannot have any sort of contamination of pollution in the system of water that they provide. With beer and seal lubrication, it is very important to use the recommended lubricant and ensure it is clean and it maintains the seals. And aligning any checks of the axis. It is checking all the alignment is very important for preventing premature wear and decreasing the efficiency of the system when the motor and the device of the impeller are not well aligned. We must analyze the vibration to monitor to indicate misalignment, bearing wear, cavitation, or any other problems. And we have to monitor temperature, because an elevated temperature can indicate several problems like inadequate lubrication, very small performance, or very small flows going through the system, or we are going very, very further of the best efficient point of so. So the temperature monitoring is very important. and prevent the cavitation. We must consider the curves of net pressure instructions to avoid the cavitation, which makes a lot of problems in the functioning of the system, such as this, because when a machine is cavitating, the impeller suffers very much and we can have very big injuries. So, to conclude, the importance of maintenance is very big and it has been pointed out, and several aspects have been studied about temperature, vibration, alignment, lubrication, cavitation, and others. Over time, hydraulic equipment is susceptible of breaking down, but with a maintenance system, we can make machines more reliable and sustainable and better performance in our pumped system. I hope this was of interest. Thank you very much.